Simple Mimi Makeup again, and her makeup artists, they are all here. Each of them work on their selves. So this is 7,000 naira makeup they are doing on their clients' faces. So this is makeup artist
Bridget.
Makeup artist Bridget. Who did this on you?
Auntie Favor.
Okay, makeup artist
Favor. Yes.
So you worked on her,
yes,
and she also worked on you. So how do you feel about this job that you did here?
Ma, I feel I should do more.
Okay, you feel you should do more.
Yeah.
So please, how did you feel about this job you did here?
I did not try.
You say what?
I didn't try.
You didn't try?
Yes.
No problem. Smile for the camera, please. You can go. Please, next people. Alright, this is another makeup artist. Please, come forward, please. This is makeup artist
Esther.
and this is makeup artist
Favor.
So who did this on you?
Esther.
Esther did it. And Esther, who did it on you?
Favor.
So how do you feel about the makeup?
On my own.
Yes, your own job. How do you feel about it?
I try and I need to do better than this.
So how do you feel about your own makeup?
Not really good.
Not really good. No problem. Smile for the camera. Please, next people, please. Next people, please be very quick, please. Okay, this is makeup artist
Rita.
and this is makeup artist
Chichi.
Okay, so who did this on you?
Rita.
Rita, makeup artist Rita did this on you. 7,000 naira makeup. No problem. So please, makeup artist Rita, who did this on you?
Ma, it's true.
So how do you feel about the makeup?
Ma, I feel that I didn't really try.
You didn't really try? No
I'll do better than
problem.
this.
You will do better. Okay. So makeup artist She, how did you feel?
Ma, I will improve.
You improved. No problem. Well done.
Thank you.
Please come. This makeup artist,
Mirabel.
makeup artist Mirabel and makeup artist. Come together. So makeup artist. Please come together, please. Come together. Okay, makeup artist Rachel, you did this on her, right?
Yes, ma.
And you makeup artist Mirabel, you did this on her, right?
Yes, ma.
So my dear, how do you feel doing this makeup on her?
I feel I'll try and do better.
No
next
problem.
time.
So how do you feel about your makeup?
Ma, I'm not really happy, but this is her first try, so she tried.
She tried. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please smile. Give the camera a kiss, please.